Hello, you are welcome to solve this math problem of simplify 2 over 3 bracket power of 2 over 3. Now, solution. From our problem, which is 2 over 3 bracket power of 2 over 3, it will be equal to, into here, we'll apply the rule, which is a power of m over n is equal to a power of m, then nth root of nth root. So to apply this form here, it will be 2 over 3, then bracket this power of 2 here, then root of this 3 here. So into here, it will be equal to, into here under the root, this part here will apply the rule, which is a over b bracket power of n is equal to a power of n over b power of n. So it will be third root of 2 power of 2 over 3 power of 2. Then in the next step, it will be equal to, from here under the root, this part here is same as third root of 2 power of 2, it is 4, over 3 power of 2, it is 9. Then from this part here, we'll apply the rule, it is in the form of nth root of a over b, which is equal to nth root of a over nth root of b. So it will be equal to third root of 4 over third root of 9. Then in the next step, from this part here, in the denominator, we'll apply the rule, it will be 1 over nth root of a here in the denominator, which is equal to 1 over nth root of a times, here it is nth root times nth root of a power of n minus 1 over nth root of a power of n minus 1. So into here, we'll apply this form here. So it will be equal to third root of 4 over third root of 9 times third root of 9 power of n minus 1. So it will be 3 minus 1. So here 3 minus 1 over nth third root of this 9 power of 3 minus 1. So it will be equal to third root of 4 times third root of 9 power of 3 minus 1, it is 2. Then over third root of 9 times third root of 9 power of 3 minus 1, it is 2. Then in the next step, from here in the denominator, this same as 9 power of 1. So third root of 9 power of 1 times third root of 9 power of 2 here in the denominator here, we'll apply the rule, which is nth root of a power of x times nth root of a power of y is equal to nth root of a power of x plus y, x plus y. So by applying this rule here, it will be equal to third root of 4 times third root of 9 square over, here we have common third root of 9 power of 1 plus 2, it is 3. Then in the next step, from here in the denominator here, this part here, it is in the form of nth root of a power of n which is equal to a. So it will be equal to, here in the numerator, which is third root of 4 times third root of 9 square over, into here this third root will cancel with power of 3, so it will be over 9. Then in the next step, from here, this 9 square here, 9 square is equal to 81. So it will be equal to third root of 4 times third root of 9 square, it is 81, then over 9. Then in the next step, from 81 is equal to 27 times 3. So it will be equal to third root of 4 times third root of 81, we substitute this here, 27 times 3, then over 9. Then in the next step, from this part here, it is in the form of nth root of this times this, a times b is equal to nth root of a times nth root of b. So it will be equal to third root of 4 times third root of 27, then times third root of 3, then over this 9. Then in the next step, from this 27 here, 27 is equal to 3 power 3. So it will be equal to third root of 4 times third root of 27, it is 3 power 3, times third root of 3, then over this 9. Then into here, this third root will cancel with power of 3, so it will be equal to third root of 4 times 3, then times third root of 3, then over this 3. Now to simplify, this will cancel by 1, this by 3. So it will be equal to third root of 4 times this third root of 3, then over this 3. Now from this part here, it is in the form of nth root of a times nth root of b, which is equal to nth root of a times b. So it will be equal to third root here, third root of 4 times 3, then over this 3. So finally it will be equal to third root of 4 times 3, it is 12, then over 3. So third root of 12 over 3, this is the simplified form. Thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps to miss out. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.